YouTube, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. The Bearded Veteran is here to educate you guys on patchy areas. Now, you guys are probably looking at me and you're like, Patchy, what? This guy doesn't even have patchy areas. Oh, I'm gonna stop you right there. You need to check yourself before you wreck yourself, okay? Because as a matter of fact, I do have patchy areas, and I will show you them right now. When I look forward, you know, when I'm looking straight at the camera, it may appear that I have a full beard, but there is something that you guys need to see. So I have left cheek right here and right cheek right here. Now there's a little bit of thinness in that area. It's not perfect. And I mean, you know, I could get away with it and just be completely satisfied, but I'm not. You know, I intend on growing a magnificent and glorious beard. And upon my journey, I have stumbled upon a roadblock that prevents me from feeling like I have a full beard. Well, you know what? I'm here to help you guys who are experiencing those insecurities. Those of you guys who are looking at yourself in the mirror every single day, just wishing you could have that full beard that you saw in the Vikings. You know, Rolo has the best beard in my personal opinion. Ragnar's beard is pretty cool, but not as great as Rolo's. But you guys want to have a full beard. Well, I'm here to help you with that. I'm here to help you with that. And you're probably thinking to yourself, how can you help me? There's no way you can help me. Genetics are genetics. There's nothing you can do. As a matter of fact, my friend, we live in 2020, okay? And in this day and age, there are things that can make your beard grow. Genetics? What? I'm sorry. I couldn't hear you over Minoxidil, okay? Rogaine is kind of expensive. It is a more expensive brand. If you guys are like, oh, you know, Jay, I can't afford $50 for a 3-month supply. Well, you know what? It's okay, because there is Kirkland. You can go pick up a thing of Kirkland. Kirkland sells pretty inexpensive products. You know, with Minoxidil, just, you know, you're looking for Minoxidil, okay? You're looking for a hair regrowth treatment medicine. And that's what this is. This will help you grow your hair. But Jay, I'm not going bald. I'm completely fine. Well, you're trying to grow hair on your face. So get some Rogaine or get some Kirkland and then put it on your face once a day or twice a day. It doesn't matter. It really depends on what you want to do. The instructions say to do it twice a day. That's for your scalp, but you know, your face tends to be a little more sensitive. I do it twice a day, and I started about a week and a half ago. And I think I started seeing like my cheeks get more thick. I'm pretty sure they started to get thicker over time. I highly suggest you go pick yourself up one of these bad boys, and you're gonna be waking up with a full beard maybe in like 2 years. I know, you 2 years. Well, it really depends on your genetics, guys. Some people respond to it very fast. Some people aren't as responsive and it takes time. I mean, you don't know until you try it. So don't expect to have a full beard the first day you use it, the first week you use it, the first month you use it. You're gonna see those little hairs, you know, start popping up in areas that there was never any hair before. And you're gonna be so excited with the progress that you're making. So work towards that goal. Work towards that goal of seeing those few hairs growing on your face, and it's all over from there, man. I mean, you know, you're gonna be a hunk walking into the clubs with a few hairs popping off your cheeks, I guess. But it's okay, because all you gotta do is say, you know what? I'll be back in a year and a half, and I'll have a full beard. Yeah. And I'm gonna take your girlfriend. Nah, don't do that. They'll probably kick your ass. Guys, do that. And for my fellas who can grow somewhat sort of a full beard, but you guys are struggling, you know, because certain areas of your beard are patchy, I would highly recommend you get a trim. I just got my first beard trim ever the other day, and I was blown away. I didn't think that my beard would look that much different. After he was done, you know, trimming me up, he handed me the mirror. I looked at myself and I was blown away. My cheeks looked more full, and I was like, whoa, literally my reaction. I shit you not. That is what I said. I was like, my cheeks, they don't look as thin as they did. And he was like, yeah, you know, the beard is supposed to look like one unit. So when it's trimmed to where it just is even all across, it'll look more full. So if you guys are starting to see like hairs popping out and product isn't really helping, you know, your beard balm and stuff, isn't really holding the hairs down, you know, the waxes and all that's not really helping, I would suggest you guys go see a beard doctor. No, don't type in Google beard doctor. There's really no such thing as a beard doctor, but that's what I call them because they saved my beard. Yo, it was a heart attack and a half. Okay, I mean, look, it was decent, but you know, when you start letting your beard go, like it starts to, it needs to be saved. Okay, it needs to be saved. But yeah, the beard doctor, man, just make sure you do your research. Don't walk into like a hair salon and try to get your beard done, because who knows, man. I've heard of so many stories, so many horror stories of people going in for a trim and their entire beard they just ended up shaving it off because it wasn't exactly what they wanted. So please do not be that guy. Don't be that guy who just walks in and just places your trust into somebody who doesn't, you know, normally trim beards. If what they're good at is hair, I'd be a little skeptical. Minoxidil, a beard trim. Do these things and you will have a magnificent and an amazing, godlike beard. I have a friend who has a beautiful beard, nice and full, and he told me that he's envious of the color of my beard. And I was kind of blown away because I was like, man, I wish my beard was a little darker. Normally when I upload on Instagram, I have Adobe Lightroom, so I kind of mess with like the lighting and I make it look darker so my beard can kind of appear black. I mean, I have a brown beard, but you know, sometimes I'm like, man, I really wish I had a black beard, but it's okay. There's always something that, you know, we're a little envious of when it comes to other guys. You know, I sit there on Google Images all day and I type in big beards and I look at all the guys who I wish I could look like. Sad story, it's okay. If you feel me entirely, 100%, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like this video because, you know, we're one and the same. We're one and the same, and I plan on making a lot of beard videos. So, guys, I'm trying to push out more beard content. So if you guys have anything, any ideas, hey, can you make a video about this? Hey, can you do this? Yo, feel free to share with me your ideas. Put them in the comments, and I will do my best, okay? Make sure you hit the subscribe button, please. Please hit that button. Please. Please, I'm begging you. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Much love. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really do appreciate it. And I hope you guys are digging, you know, what I have right now, man. I know I am. I fell in love with it yesterday when I saw it trimmed. So go get yourself a trim. Go pick yourself up a thing of Minoxidil. If you guys want to learn a little bit about Minoxidil and what it is, make sure you guys check out my previous video. I'm gonna link it again right here, so make sure you guys click on that video. It's just a suggested video. Go check that video out, and until next time. All right, guys, much love. Later, my bearded brothers.